Hey guys, this is Cool Guy 99, and today in this video I'm going to give you tips on how you can become popular on YouTube. So the first tip is that you have to come up with a like a popular trend that's like on YouTube that's that's like going on right now. So maybe like trick shots, or maybe some kind of video game, or like music, or challenges, and pranks, or like whatever, something like that. Like if you make it your own, then you can actually make it popular. So, see, that's actually one. Then, and the other, to become popular is like your YouTube channel has to have a like a really cool. I mean, not cool. Like like a take on YouTube you have to be like unique. Meaning like people being like interested in what you are doing and like curious about what you're doing. Just wanna do it themselves, but like their own way. So. See, that's another tip on how you can become popular. And so yeah, actually, those are my two tips on how you can become popular on YouTube. So again, like first one was like recreating like popular videos, kind of like doing trick shots or pranks or challenges or music, some stuff like that. And the second one is having a unique name for your YouTube channel. So those are my two tips for you guys on on how you guys can become popular on YouTube. So if you guys thought that this video is helpful, please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Be awesome and stay awesome. Peace.